I come to do your will. Here am I, Lord. I come to do your will. I have waited for the Lord, and He stopped toward me and heard my cry, and He put a new song into my mouth, a hymn to our God. Here am I, Lord. I come to do your will. Sacrifice or offering, you wish not, but years of obedience you gave me. Holocaust or sin offerings you showed not. They said, behold, I come. Here am I, Lord. I come to do your will. In the written scroll, it is prescribed for me to do your will. Oh my God is my delight, and your law is within my heart. Here am I, Lord. I come to do your will. I announced your justice in the vast assembly. I did not restrain my lips, as you, Lord, know. Here am I, Lord. I come to do your will. Here am I,